As you can see folks, hope you are doing good today folks. I am also doing excellent fine today. Bought you this Royal Enfield Himalayan bike another in today's video. Hope you are doing good today folks. I am also doing fabulous excellent today. In today's video I have bought you this white color Royal Enfield Himalayan bike. So let's get started on it. Royal Enfield Himalayan bike. So let's get started on it. And features I am telling you of the Royal Enfield Himalayan bike. Features are LED lights, it has front and rear LED lights, high resolution top-notch TFT cluster, good matrix LED dippers, shock absorbers, Himalayan badging, front and rear disc brake, white color, too many variants in this Royal Enfield Himalayan bike. Awesome bike this is folks, you can go for it just now. See the look, texture, posture of the bike is very good, body of the bike is metal. Shape is awesome of the bike, fabulous excellent bike. This is by Royal Enfield Himalayan bike. Look is awesome, front look is awesome, look is awesome folks. As you can see, features I've told you about the Royal Enfield bike, the Himalayan bike. This is white color. LED lights, split LED lights, two LED lights, are in the Royal Enfield badging integrated in the glass of the LED lights. R badging is there. Two LED split headlamps are there. High resolution focus on the road, very good. Good, this one is there. Number plate you can put here. A good number plate you can put here. Good number plate you can put here. White color. Sturdy tires, this is a good sturdy tires. Good sturdy tires. The metal disc brake, good sturdy tires. The metal disc brake, Himalayan badging, reflectors. Good bike this is. Awesome bike by Royal Enfield. Side look is awesome folks. Himalayan badging, side look is awesome. Let me show you the display. Display is also awesome. Display, let me show you. Display is good. Himalayan display this is. We have a 0 kilometers, 17, 1.7 kilometers. 1.7 kilometers, 1.7 kilometers, time, fuel, N, temperature, warning, kilometers, RPM X130. It is a high resolution top-notch TFT cluster in the Royal Enfield Gorilla. It is a Himalayan bike, not Gorilla. And high resolution top-notch TFT cluster in the Royal Enfield bike. This is Himalayan bike, ever seen. Time and temperature, kilometer strip, warning, ABS, RPM X130. Features are RPM X130, neutral, fuel option, this option, temperature warning option, red warning option, kilometer strip 1 option, ABS option, 1.7 kilometers option, 0 kilometers option, time option. This option RPM X1300000 option. High resolution top-notch TFT cluster in the Enfield Himalayan bike. Enfield badging is there integrated in the glass. Yeah. Good bike, awesome bike. You can put this here. Himalayan Royal Enfield badging is there. Good Royal Enfield metal badging. Yeah. Good bike this is. Awesome bike. Side look is amazing folks. Metal exhaust is good folks. Back look is good. Two LED matrix LED dippers, two LED matrix dippers in number plate area, two LED dippers with matrix number plate area, two LED dippers with matrix LED dipper. Yeah, awesome bike. This is good chunky, good chunky Royal Enfield bike. This is front look is awesome. Good chunky bike. This is side look is awesome of the bike. More side look is coming up for you guys. Metal exhaust is there, metal rear disc brake is there, then this is there. Back look is awesome, folks. Back look is awesome. Front look is also awesome, folks. Look is awesome, folks. The front look is awesome. Front look is awesome. Look is awesome, folks. Look is awesome. Side look is also awesome, folks. Look is awesome. Look is awesome. Back look is awesome.